Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time Tuesday. Today we're in front of a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee and they came in with a couple issues, so we're going to talk about that today.
Tech Time Tuesday.
So these customers were getting a little bit of inside tire wear, which led them to believe that they had negative camber. To get that out, the only way to do that is an offset ball joint, and what that does is based on how you put it in, it aligns with either negative camber or positive camber. It also changes your caster. So the way that we set this in here, whichever orientation we do, is how that we get that camber out. And show you over here the little diagram we have. So you can see here, it tells you which way. So if you look at this, it's showing you this part going towards, so that's your long part. So depending on how you put this in, if you wanted negative camber, you would throw it in like that. If you wanted positive camber, you would throw it in like so. And this, you can see that this is also offset compared to this ball joint, which is completely centered. And so what this does is it allows us to adjust that camber and get him aligned, get him on the road the way he's supposed to. Other than that, he would just have to deal with the negative camber and keep getting new tires as they wear out. So we're gonna put this offset ball joint in there, get him all aligned, set his toe, and send him on the road. If you want to keep seeing videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and we wish you safer and happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.